Hello everyone. Today in this lecture we will discuss about the sixth poem of class 9, that is No Man Are Foreign. The title No Man Are Foreign means that the no man belongs to another country. This poem is written by James Kirkup. The poet wants to say that all men are same. All men are equal. He wants to promote the concept of universal brotherhood. In this poem, the poet wants to tell us that everyone in this world is same. All people, all men are same. They eat, live, die the same way. Everyone gets the bounties of nature like sunshine, land, etc. in equal measure. We can also say that it is a peace poem. So let's start the poem. Remember, no men are strange, no country is foreign. Beneath all uniforms, a single body breathes. Like ours, the land our brothers walk upon is earth like this, in which we all shall lie. So, in the first stanza, the poet is telling us to remember that no man is unknown to us and no country is a foreign. All of us live upon the same earth. Whatever different kind of dresses we wear, it is a human being that is alive and breathing under every dress. The land we walk upon and the earth we live on is shared by all the peoples equally. And it is within the depth of the earth we all will lie after death. Here, strange means unknown and beneath means under. In second stanza, they, too aware of sun and air and water, are fed up peaceful harvest. By wars, long winters starved, their hands are ours, and in their lines we read, a labor not different from our own. In second stanza, poet says that every human being is aware and can avail all the resources nature, the sun, air, and water. All of us use it for the same reason. Wherever we are, then how can we be different from one another? The food we eat is provided by the fields and the trees we plant, and the process is the same everywhere on the earth. They also suffer when there is war and face hardship when the weather destroy the crops. All the human beings suffer and enjoy in the same manner. They too have hands. They work like us, and the way they labor is just like we do. Stanza 3. Remember, they have eyes like ours that wake or sleep, and strength that can be won by love. In every land is common life that all can recognize and understand. In third stanza, the poet is reminding us that they all have eyes like us, wake up and sleep like us, only timing are different, and understand the strength and emotion. It is the same for everybody. He also adds that the kind of life they live is not different from ours. We know that life follows a certain pattern. It is essential birth, growth and life, and eventually death. This is the normal pattern. You know it just as well as the other human being. Stanza 4. Let us remember whenever we are told to hate our brothers, it is ourselves that we shall dispose, betray, condemn. Remember, we who takes arms against each other. Here, the poet says that we should remember that whenever someone tells us to hate a person from another country, to think him as our enemy, and whenever we think someone to be our enemy, then we deprive ourselves, we cheat ourselves, and we condemn ourselves. He says that we should stay away from such negativity. We should not consider anyone to be our enemy. During a war, both the parties must bear a loss. And that is why the poet says that war is not in our favor. He says that whenever we pick any weapon against someone, we should remember one thing. The last stanza, it is the human earth that we defy. Our hells of fires and dust outrage the innocence of earth that is everywhere our own. Remember, no man are foreign and no country is strange. In the last stanza, poet says that we should keep in mind that whenever we pick weapons against any person, we make the earth dirty because weapons kill people and their bodies which fall on the earth make it dirty. Whenever war happens, it leads to a lot of bloodshed, fire, and death. These dead bodies accumulate on the earth and it make it impure. The fire of war which erupt, the smoke which come out, the dust which fills the air, it is so dirty that it pollutes and outrages the purity of the air. With all these things, the poet wants to give us a message that we should not indulge in war. Finally, he ends the poem by writing the first line in reverse and saying that remember, no men are foreign and no countries strange. Hope you understood it properly. Thank you.